Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create two makeup looks without using any foundation in just simple and easy steps. So first of all, I am going to create this natural day look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep watching, and if you are new here in my channel, please take a moment to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. First I am taking a white eyeshadow as my base all over my eyelid. Now taking a blending brush and taking this color from my Wet n Wild palette and just applying it onto my crease area as my transition shade. You can use any palette you have, just see the colors which I am using. Now taking this brown shade with my Sigma E40 brush and just applying it onto my outer V of my eyes and just blending it out with my transition shade. Blend it out precisely so that there is no harsh lines. Now taking this brown pigmented eyeshadow and applying it onto my inner corners of my eyes. Now taking this clear large Sigma E40 brush and blending all the colors on my crease area to look more neat and crisp. Now I am taking here this brown kajal from Charlotte Tilbury eye pencil. Believe me, this kajal is a holy grail product for those who want something which will act like a kajal and eyeshadow both. This is a duo pencil actually. One side is matte for outer and the another one is glitter for the inner corner. Now I am taking this Maybelline Chrome highlighter and applying it on my brow bone. Take a small blending brush and apply the same brown color of the outer V on the outer lower lid. Blend well until you are satisfied with the look. Now I am using Maybelline gel liner. You can use any eyeliner you have to make a wing. Here I am applying a small coat of mascara before I apply my falsies. Now in place of foundation, I am using Lotus Sunsafe as it has a little bit of tint to it. But make sure your face is well moisturized before you apply because it's a bit dry in consistency. You can also use any tinted moisturizer you have. Now I am using concealer only under my eyes and blending it out with the beauty blender. To bronze my face, I am using Hoola bronzer to give a definition to my face. You guys can use any bronzer you have. This is my another holy grail product, that is K Beauty product in blush, Sugar Candy. Trust me guys, it's the best as of now. For brows, I am using Benefit Brow Pencil. If you guys want to know how to do eyebrows, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a tutorial on it. So guys, this is the first look, first natural day look. Now for this second look, I will be modifying few steps from the last look in just few simple steps. For the second look, I will be taking my Miss Rose palette and taking the brown color and applying it on the outer V of my eyes on the same previous eyeshadow. Now with the help of the large blending brush, I am just deepening the brown color on the outer V of my eyes to give a more defined and dark look. Now taking this deep gold pigment eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eyes. Now just blend it out all the colors so that there is no harsh lines. Blend, blend and blend to make it look more crisp and defined. From the same palette, I am taking the gold pressed glitter eyeshadow and applying it from the inner corner to the middle of my eyes. Now for any party look, red lipstick is the best option to go. Here I am using the MAC Fashion Legacy. So this is the final look which I wear in pretty much every occasion I go to, as it is the easiest look I can create in just few minutes with less products and efforts, yet it looks gorgeous and stunning. Thank you so much guys for watching. Love you all. Bye.